Hi, I'm Jenny, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute, super easy apron rack using only 2 tools. So let's get started. Alright, so what you're going to need for this project is some wood. I'm working with pallet wood. You can really use any type of wood that you want. I just happen to have a pallet laying around. And we did just make a video about how to take apart a pallet. It's a really quick, easy, super fast method. If you haven't checked it out, it's linked in the description below. Everything else you're gonna need. I have some coat hooks right here I chose to use 4. I have some little screws to attach the coat hooks to the pallet wood. I have a pencil, a drill, a tape measure, and a jigsaw. So we already used the jigsaw to take apart the pallet, but I just wanted to include it to be thorough. We won't need it for the rest of this project. And then you're gonna need some screws. I have 2 longer ones to attach the overall coat rack to the wall, and then 4 shorter ones to attach these shorter pieces of pallet wood to the back of the longer pieces of pallet wood. Okay, so my longer pieces of pallet wood I have are about 33 inches, and then these shorter pieces I have are about 5.5 inches. Don't fret if it's not exact because it's rustic. And this will give me some good spacing for all 4 of my coat hooks. All right, so I have my 2 longer pieces of pallet wood laid out just how I want it to look on my wall, but then what you gotta do is take them and flip them pretty side down. All right, so what we need to do is put some supports on the back of these. So that's what these 2 shorter pieces are for. So you can secure them really anywhere you want. If you want to measure the distance of studs in your walls so that you can screw these right into studs, awesome. That's what I'm gonna do because I am so sick of finishing projects, taking them in, and then noticing they don't line up with studs because it's hard to go back, and then I just say screw it and put a drywall anchor in, but that's not good for your walls. So I'm gonna go measure real quick. All right, so I just found my 2 studs. We got one here and we've got one here. So now what I'm gonna do is take my plank and hold it up to the wall, roughly the height I want it. And then I'm gonna mark right where those studs are so I know where to screw those supports on the back. All right, so my planks are about 33 inches long, and I need 5 different spaces since I have 4 hooks. So I'm gonna measure 6.5 inch increments. Okay, so here's your finished product. I've got my little baking apron hanging from it. I think it turned out super cute and it fills this space in my wall. So to our vlog family out there, I finally did it after like 3 vlogs of talking about it. Finally made it and got it up on the wall. I love it, super cute. Hope you guys enjoy yours. Have fun making it. So if you like this video and this project, chances are you're gonna like a lot of the projects we make. So go ahead and click that subscribe button right here and follow us along and see what other projects we make. So if you notice anything we screwed up on or anything we could have done better, shoot us a comment down below. We're just learning, so we appreciate any help we can get.